Promotion of local productions and biodegradable clothing. To reduce the impact of the textile industry, brands can source and produce locally and use biodegradable materials. Producing locally helps to limit transport-related emissions and encourages more controlled processes. Biodegradable fabrics, made from natural fibers, break down more easily at the end of their life cycle, thereby reducing waste and pollution. Consumers are increasingly paying greater attention to these issues. They want to understand where products come from, how they are made, and what happens to them after use. For brands, it is becoming essential to pay greater attention to these aspects. Local productions refers to products that are made close to where they are sold. In the fashion sector, this means shorter supply chains, reduced transport, and closer control over production. From a communication point of view, this gives brands clear advantages. They can specify where the product is made, highlight local production, and show the connection with a specific place or community. Simple messages such as "made locally" or "produced in the region" make the product more transparent and help consumers better understand its origin and value. Even larger brands can benefit from working with local producers, both for the environment and for their brand story, by choosing partners who share their values, use sustainable materials, and apply responsible production techniques. Highlighting craftsmanship and traditional skills makes each product unique and authentic. Connecting products to the region where they are made reinforces the local production concept. Brands can involve their producers in communication by sharing behind-the-scenes photos, videos, or short stories. This approach helps consumers feel closer to the people, the place, and the processes behind the product, making sustainability tangible and building trust. Biodegradable clothing is made from natural or bio-based materials that can break down more easily at the end of their life, such as cotton, wool, or linen. From a communication point of view, it is important to explain clearly what the product is made of and what happens after use. For example, highlighting natural fibers or reduced waste helps consumers understand the environmental benefit. Avoid generic claims and focus on simple, concrete information about materials and end-of-life impact. This makes sustainability easier to understand and more credible. A simple way to communicate sustainability is to focus on three elements: the people who make the product, the places where it is produced, and the materials used. For local and biodegradable clothing, this means showing the artisans or workers behind each item, highlighting the specific region or workshop, and emphasizing natural, eco-friendly materials. By sharing short stories or visuals about people, places, and materials, brands can turn abstract sustainability claims into tangible narratives, connecting emotionally with the consumers. Having local production and biodegradable products is valuable, but it is essential to communicate these features clearly. Transparency means showing where a product is made, which natural materials are used, and how they decompose. Eco-labels and certifications make this information trustworthy, while digital tools like websites and QR codes allow brands to provide detailed explanations quickly. When consumers can see and understand these aspects, they make informed decisions and trust the brand. Zero Baracento is an Italian sustainable fashion brand that shares detailed information about its supply chain. Its sustainability section lists key suppliers from Italian textile regions, highlighting their history, location, products, and certifications. Materials include GOTS organic wool and GRS recycled fibers, and partners hold Ecotech Standard 100 and traceability certifications. By showing who its suppliers are, where they are based, and how they work with sustainable materials, Zero Baracento makes local production and eco-friendly practices transparent and tangible, reinforcing authenticity and consumer trust.